Hello students, welcome back to online classes. In a previous session 1, we introduced and discussed the topic matter, its composition and its characteristics. We had also explained in detail about the main postulates of kinetic theory of gases, and based on this the comparative study of solids, liquid and gases. We also discussed the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Moving further, we had also explained in brief about the interconversion of matter and the terms involved: melting, vaporization, condensation, solidification and sublimation. Today I am going to explain these topics in detail on the basis of kinetic theory of gases. Interconversion of states of matter. So what is interconversion of states of matter? The change of state of matter from one state to another and back to its original state by change in temperature and pressure. For example, when solid converts into liquid on heating. Solid converts into liquid on heating, term is melting. When liquid converts into vapor. When liquid converts into vapor on heating, term is vaporization. When vapor changes into liquid on cooling, term is condensation. And when liquid changes into a solid state, term is solidification. Now, I am going to explain these terms on the basis of kinetic theory. The first term I am going to explain is melting. What is melting? When solid changes into liquid state on heating. So, when heat energy supplied to the solid, listen carefully, when heat energy supplied to the solid is absorbed by its molecules and stored as potential energy. This stored potential energy increases the interparticle space. This stored potential energy increases the interparticle space, and when interparticle space increases, then what happens? The force of attraction between the particles decreases and molecules become free and the solid changes into liquid. So these are the 4 points for which a solid, we can explain how solid changes into liquid on heating. Number 1, particles gain energy, and this energy is stored in the form of potential energy. Stored potential energy increases the space, interparticle space, and if the interparticle space increases, interparticle attraction or force of attraction decreases and molecules become free and solid changes to liquid state. So, solid changes to liquid state on heating, term is melting. Now, second term I am going to explain, that is vaporization. On the basis of kinetic theory, what is vaporization? When liquid changes into vapor on heating. So, on heating liquid, temperature increases. So, heat energy supplied to the liquids is absorbed by its molecules and stored as potential energy. Again I repeat, heat energy supplied to the liquids is absorbed by its molecules and stored as potential energy. This stored potential energy increases the intermolecular space or interparticle space. And if interparticle space increases, then what will happen? The force of attraction decreases. So, force of attraction decreases, then molecules become completely free and escape as a gas. Or at its boiling point, particles become free and it converts into gaseous state. So melting and vaporization, temperature increases means what? Particle gain energy, interparticle space increases. If interparticle space increases, then interparticle attraction or force of attraction between the particle decreases and molecules become free and solid convert into liquid, or in vaporization liquid convert into gas. Now third term, that is condensation. Solid to liquid melting, liquid to gas vaporization if temperature increases on heating. Now just reverse, when gases converts into liquid. When gases convert into liquid, then on cooling gases what will happen? Temperature decreases. Temperature decreases, then on cooling the gas, the potential energy in the molecule is released as heat energy. On cooling the gas, the potential energy in the molecule is released as heat energy. That means particle lose energy. Released potential energy decreases the intermolecular space. Released potential energy decreases the intermolecular space, and if intermolecular space decreases, the force of attraction between the particle increases. And what will happen? Molecules are not in a position to be free and the gaseous state changes into liquid state, and this phenomena is condensation. Again I repeat, on cooling gases what will happen? Temperature decreases. On cooling the gas, the potential energy in the molecule is released as heat energy. Released potential energy decreases the interparticle space. If interparticle space decreases, the force of attraction between the particle increases and molecules are not in a position to be free and the gaseous state changes into liquid state. Alright, so this phenomena is condensation when gaseous state changes into liquid state on cooling. Now fourth term is when liquid changes to solid state. When liquid changes to solid on cooling, term is freezing or solidification. Term is freezing or solidification. So on cooling liquid what will happen? Temperature decreases. On cooling liquid temperature decreases. On cooling the liquid, potential energy in the molecule is released as heat energy. Released potential energy decreases the interparticle space. If interparticle space decreases, then what will happen? The force of attraction between the particle increases. And at solidification point, particles slow down, molecules are not in a position to be free and the liquid changes to solid state. Again I repeat, what is the process, what is the meaning of term solidification, and I explain this topic on the basis of kinetic theory. On cooling liquid, temperature decreases. On cooling liquid, temperature decreases. The potential energy in the molecule is released as heat energy. This released potential energy decreases the interparticle space. And if the interparticle space decreases, interparticle attraction increases. And at solidification point, particles slow down, molecules are not in a position to be free and the liquid changes into solid state. So these are the four terms now: melting, after that vaporization, then condensation, and then solidification. Very important terms, and this is the explanation based on kinetic theory. Now fifth term is sublimation. Now what is sublimation? Conversion of solid directly into gaseous state. Conversion of solid directly into gaseous state, and on cooling directly back to solid state without changing into liquid state. Two examples are given. Number one, naphthalene, and another example is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. So how this solid directly change into gaseous state on heating, and on cooling this gaseous state directly back to the solid state without changing into liquid state. So on heating a sublimable solid, the interparticle attraction is overcome. On heating a sublimable solid, the interparticle attraction is overcome, the molecules break free and moves from the surface of the solid and changes directly into the vapor state. So these are the 4-5 terms which is very important: melting, vaporization, condensation, solidification and sublimation. Alright, I am giving you 2 assignments today. In my second assignment, you have to write the answers in detail. In detail, like if the question is explain melting on the basis of kinetic theory. So in this question, you have to write 4 points. Number 1, particles gain energy, and this energy is stored in the form of potential energy. Second point, interparticle space increases. Next point, interparticle attraction decreases. And the last point, at melting point, particles become free or molecules become free and the solid changes into liquid state. Write point wise. Alright, so in my second assignment, you have to write the answers in detail. In my third assignment, you have to write one word answer. Alright, so answers of all the assignments, I think total 3 assignments, 1 assignment I have given earlier, and these 2 assignments, you have to write all the answers in register. Write all the answers very neatly. Read this chapter carefully, and whatever the doubts, you just drop a message in a message comment box. I will post my next video very soon. Till the time, stay safe, stay home and take good care of yourself. Goodbye.